The inner fire of authenticity, the art of living without masks. Quantum opening. The soul is a fire that does not tolerate disguises. Its flame seeks to expand, and when we try to cover it with the masks of complacency, habit, or fear, all we achieve is to smother the spark that keeps us alive. Authenticity is the naked dance of that inner fire, the ability to burn without fear that others might get burned by our truth. Section 1. Deep Gaze. Every human being carries a chest full of masks. The obedient child, the tireless worker, the perfect friend, the wise teacher, or the exemplary disciple. These masks serve social functions, but the danger arises when we forget they are just accessories and start to believe we are them. The archetype of the warrior of truth is activated when we decide to stop maintaining appearances and dare to embody radical transparency. Like in the myth of the phoenix, authenticity demands an act of combustion, letting the false versions of ourselves die so that what is essential can emerge. Section 2. Scientific and Psychological Foundations. From the perspective of humanistic psychology, Carl Rogers spoke about congruence, the alignment between what we feel, think, and express. When there is coherence, the entire organism experiences vitality. When there is incongruence, tension, anxiety, and somatization appear. Transpersonal psychology adds that authenticity is not only about being true to our personality, but also to our spiritual essence. To be authentic is to remember that we are a fractal of the divine, manifested in a unique and unrepeatable way. For example, a person who represses their artistic calling out of fear of social judgment often lives in a fragmented way. On the other hand, when they begin to express their creativity, even if they do not receive external approval, they experience an expansion of energy and meaning. Section 3. Applied biodecoding. The body also speaks when we deny our truth. Some connections, chronic sore throat. Unspoken words, the fear of saying what we truly feel, skin problems, identity conflicts, the rejection of showing our true self, muscle tension, the burden of holding roles that do not belong to us, path to liberation, becoming aware of when and with whom we wear masks. Allow ourselves small doses of authenticity, such as saying no to something minor and noticing how the body feels lighter when we show our true selves. Section 4. Quantum NLP Tools. Practical Reprogramming Exercise. 1. Identify your main mask. Write it down on a sheet. I pretend to be. 2. Associate it with a belief. Example, if I am not perfect, I won't be loved. 3. Reframing. Question, what positive lesson was this belief trying to give me? 4. Authenticity anchoring. Close your eyes. Recall a moment when you were fully authentic and were loved for it. Take a deep breath and bring that feeling to your heart. Touch your chest with your right hand while affirming, my truth is worthy of being expressed. My authenticity is my greatest power. 5. Install the resource. Every time you feel tempted to wear a mask, activate the anchor by touching your chest. Section 5. Spiritual Perspective and Christ Consciousness. Living without masks is entering the frequency of Christ consciousness. Christ taught, the truth will set you free. That truth is not a dogma, but the intimate truth of each soul. From this perspective, authenticity is not egocentric rebellion, but an act of unconditional love. When I show myself as I am, I gift the world the unrepeatable vibration I came to bring. Buddha said, it is better to fail in your own dharma than to succeed in someone else's. In other words, it is preferable to walk naked with your imperfect fire than adorned with masks that do not belong to your spirit. Section 6. Integrative Ritual. Authentic Mirror Ritual. 1. Light a white candle. 2. Stand in front of a mirror and look yourself straight in the eyes. 3. Declare out loud, today I let go of the masks that no longer serve me. I recognize the beauty of my inner fire. I allow myself to live authentically even if I tremble. I am truth, I am light, I am love. 4. Take 3 deep breaths, as if inhaling your essence and exhaling the layers of falsehood. 5. Give thanks and respectfully extinguish the candle. High vibration closing. Master phrase, authenticity is the soul's secret language. Those who speak it never feel lost again. Quantum Challenge. 24 Hocha. Do at least one daily action that expresses your truth, even if it's something small. Say no to something, dress differently, write an uncensored poem. Activation code. My truth burns, my essence shines. With love, Andrew.